तो सुंदर असो आमचे गांव सुंदर अशें गांव हो आमचो फुटबॉल ग्राउंड आसा आणि सगळ्यात मोठी गोष्ट आय वॉज ऑल्सो लास्ट इयर इन तालगडी टुर्नामेंटाक हांव आशिल्लो फायनलाक जो क्रेज फुटबॉलाक हांगा आसा आनी हे सायडीन आसा तो म्हाजो पुराय गोंयांत खंयच ना असो क्राउड जो अनइन्वायटेड म्हणात किंवा हांगा काम सोडून येवन मॅची पळोवपाक येता हो क्राउड पुराय गोंयांत तर मेळना स्पेशली उतोर्डा बाणावली आनी ह्या सायडीन सालसेटाक आमकां खूब ताजो मोग पळोवपाक मेळटा म्हणटकीर इवन इफ यू गो दीस डेज आयएसएल मॅचीस यू डोंट सी क्राउड to watch matches, but proud to see that our football sports is growing and Utorda club has been doing wonderful work for so many years. I was just looking at the awards that they have got. Please continue doing the same. If you need any support from the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs and Sports Authority of Goa, we shall always be available for your help and assistance. Please approach for any kind of assistance that you need to promote football in state of Goa. We want state game football to be, reaching next levels. We have 2 Arjuna awardees, 1 Padma Shri. We want more Arjuna awardees to be, created from Goa state, and we have potential.